Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a love read for you. Let's see Taurus, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action can we expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Taurus will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So Taurus. Okay, so newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center we'll have your mutual energies, your action cards, etc., your dialogue cards. But for the duration of the reading, I will be mentioning this side as person A and this side as person B. You will know which side you resonate best with if this is your reading. And overall energy of this reading is the Four of Cups. So feeling a little discontented here, Taurus. Somebody is, at least. Let's see why that is. So there's some kind of stagnation going on in this connection, Taurus. And somebody wants to kind of drop something now. Tired of going back and forth in their mind, and they just want to make a decision, drop this back and forth energy. And person B seems to want to have some kind of communication. They feel too many secrets are being kept. They want to talk about that, or let's see. You know what I'm going to do, Taurus? I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. And let's take one action card for person A and one action card for person B. Okay, all right, so let's begin here. Let's take a few cards from here. Let's see if Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Take a few from here as well. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person spirit. They could say something to each other. All right. All right, Taurus, let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I will lose myself in it. Can I trust you not to break my heart again? I wasn't ready for our connection. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. Losing hope in this connection. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. Just know that I'm sorry. Sometimes, because I know that we'll be together, I take you for granted. All right, so Taurus, if this seems to be your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards and see what's going on. I'm going to start with person A, but before that, let me take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels want to bless you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. Commitment and marriage are to your two cards here, Taurus, but sometimes this marriage card is also severing a marriage. something that is not working out. In some cases, yes, somebody could be wanting to commit to you, or you are already in a committed relationship. I don't know. This situation could involve a marriage, but this marriage card sometimes means meeting somebody that you'll be married to soon, or sometimes even coming out of a marriage. See very closely the darkness in this card, and this woman is stepping out of almost like a window with darkness behind her and stepping out. So maybe it's time now to commit to yourself. But in some cases, maybe there's a new commitment coming and marriage for you. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, so okay. Let's start with the energy of person A. Knight of Pentacles spirit. Why do they feel like the Knight of Pentacles energy? Knight of Pentacles. There's some kind of stagnation that's going on in this connection here. Too many cards suggesting the same thing. Hanged Man, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. I think there's a lot of either somebody has received a message from their person, uncovered some secret, or they want to tell or send a message and speak something that they've been hiding. They feel that person is... What's this Page of Cups spirit? How do they feel? Yeah, they feel that person always keeps them very emotionally insecure, never opens up, hides their emotions from them, breaks their heart by doing that. A lot of hurt here, because maybe the person A feels my person always gives me very little. Like this card said, sometimes I take you for granted because we know we'll be together forever, right? So person A has not been, they feel there's too much of stagnancy. My person always hides emotions or is never emotionally available. They're almost thinking of dropping this connection. Yes, dropping this marriage, dropping this stability. Look at this. Dropping this Four of Wands. Am I right, Spirit? What do they want to drop? Yes, the person A has been very depressed, I think, for some time, and very restless as well. They feel there is no joy, there's no happiness left in this connection anymore. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Five of Cups in reverse. I think person A has been feeling pretty depleted, deflated, and feeling very stuck in a connection, and they've come to realize, I think, self-love, where they feel I have a lot of love to give, and I have been giving it, but I've never been reciprocated, so maybe it's time for me to start giving myself self-love. This situation is stuck, is not going anywhere. Do I want to live the rest of my life always looking back with regret and sorrow about wasted time, wasted years, or should I just pull myself out of it now? This situation seems to be over. It's time to heal myself now and maybe provide myself some nurturing, loving care. Queen of Cups, Spirit. Queen of Cups. I think this Queen of Cups may be turning their back on person B now, and maybe a committed relationship, and thinking of walking away from a commitment. Yes, I think the fire is lit now. They may want to go towards something which makes their heart sing. They want to go somewhere where, they can feel passionate once again. They can be excited about life once again. They kind of have made a decision to drop something which no longer works for them, which is too slow, which is too boring, which is not emotionally available to them, which breaks their heart. There's no happiness, joy, and I think this is where person A is at. So will they make any, how does person A now feel about this connection now, presently, or about this person? Right now, this person feels, I don't want to be in a place which is full of conflict all the time. There's always bickering, there's always fighting, I'm always left out in the cold, I'm always feeling abandoned. This is so too much stagnancy that this person brings to my life. I've lost hope in this connection. Yeah, I've lost hope in this connection. And there was a card here which said the same thing, losing hope in this connection. So person A is kind of lost hope. So what action person A will take, I will open later. This is how they're feeling, right? What action they will actually take, I'll open later, Taurus. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is feeling. The moon. Why is the moon card here, Spirit? Why is the moon card here? Oh my God, this person is afraid. This person is afraid that they are losing a very strong partnership. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they are. They still have a lot of passion maybe for person A. They're feeling very ungrounded. They want to charge towards person A and tell them that, hey, I still have feelings for you. I still have passion for you. They don't want the stress of losing them. They're afraid that, this is like a stroke of bad luck for them. Maybe they are realizing they've been immature in the past and that's why their person is leaving them, and they're afraid that they may not be given a second chance. So, Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Yes, it's becoming crystal clear to them that their stable foundation is on the rocks. They're losing a very grounded connection. This could be like a wife and a marriage for some, or at least something that is as stable as that. Yes, this person wants to talk. They want to come and have some kind of a conversation, talk. If there's been silence between the two of you, person B wants to have that talk. So, what do they want to talk about, Spirit? What do they want to talk about? What do they want to talk about? They want to know. They are going crazy in their mind, not knowing what person A has decided. They want to know what they've decided. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why is person B feeling this way? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Things were probably not working out, but yeah, things were not working out. Maybe person B was the one who was always cold and took their person for granted, or was maybe harsh or unemotional, because they felt, this will continue. This chapter will continue on and on and on and on again, and they took this connection for granted. That I feel that's, and they never really kind of worked on this connection. Yes, and that I think made their person deeply unhappy. Now they're realizing now they've brought in a tower moment. There's been a tower moment here. They feel like they've made some very foolish mistakes in their life. They are not happy about it at all. They don't want to shut this chapter down even now. Taurus, I'm warning you. This person is not happy that person A is making some decision for themselves. They want to keep this chapter open. This has come as a sudden shock to them, even though they know why person A is leaving, but they didn't expect it, right? They thought this will continue. We'll be together forever. I can take you for granted. I really don't have to put in work here. So this has come as a shock to them that, hey, my person noticed that I was always emotionally closed off or rude to them or whatever. So how does person B now feel about the connection, or how do they feel about person A? They are worried they may lose their stability. They may lose their stability. They feel their person has stopped fighting for them and has withdrawn their love, is saving all their love for themselves, and is kind of holding back from them. If you're married, they could also be worried about a legal separation. they do want to bring some, yes, they want to bring balance and justice back quickly. They want to offer person A stability once again. They want to offer, hey, let's begin again and we'll be stable this time. I promise I'll do the right thing. I will heal everything that's broken between us. That's how person B is feeling. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, this person has become very stressed out. They can't sleep at night. Yes, they are angry, they're frustrated, they are conflicted in their mind and also upset about the fight or conflict that's happened between the two of you. Person B is losing their mind. What else, Spirit? How does person B feel about this connection? Person B. They feel that if their person is looking out now, they are being immature, and they don't want them to, yes, they don't want them to block them out. They are probably praying or doing some spell work or trying to manifest person B from sneaking away from their life. They don't want person A to leave. What are they doing, Spirit? What are they doing? Yes, they don't want person A to accept any other offer. All right, so person A, will you take any action now? Person A has decided their action. They want to leap off that cliff and have a brand new beginning. With yourself, person A, or with person B? What's this new beginning looking like for you? Whatever gives them their 10 of Cups. They want victory, they want emotional happiness, and they are not ready to compromise for anything else. They are very, very angry with themselves and their life and everything else. And they're saying, I don't want to move ahead with anything that's going to give me anything short of complete happiness and victory. If I have to leave my past person and start anew, I'm willing to do that. So, person B, will you take any action? King of Cups in reverse. Be careful, this person could emotionally manipulate you with their talk. Yes, person B will try and emotionally blackmail you, or not blackmail you in a bad way, but maybe emotionally manipulate you. This is their action. They will try and have conversations with you. They will promise you that they're going to work on this connection now. And they may say or do things which will, what will it do, Spirit? What is their agenda? Yes, this is them in low vibration, I'm sorry to say. This person is doing it for their own selfish needs, because they don't want to be left by themselves, or they don't want person A to move on. This person is still in their selfish energy. Yes, they just want that the fight should be over now, so that they don't have to live in regret for the rest of their life. Well, so now the choice is open. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.